Hi, I'm Anthony Haynes. I'm the UK Product and Training Manager for ROTHENBERGER. I've been in our industry for over 25 years, 16 of those as a service engineer. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at our ROFROST Turbo electric pipe freezer range. There are two main options in this range. The first is the ROFROST Turbo II. This is capable of freezing copper and iron pipes up to 2 inches or 54 millimeters. The second option is designed for smaller applications. This can handle pipes up to 1 1/4 inches or 42 millimeters. Here in the UK, we also have the ROFROST Turbo 28. This is aimed at domestic installations and can freeze pipes sizes from 8 millimeters up to 28 millimeters. So you've arrived at the job. Before you get started, there are two very important things to think about. Firstly, you may need to hang the clamps high over a door or something similar for about 5 or 10 minutes. This allows the refrigerant gases, in this case R290 gas, to return back into the compressor. During storage, airlocks can form in the hoses, and this simple step can help prevent that. It is a really important part of the process because failing to do it may be one of the main causes of performance issues or even unit failures. Once that's done, you're ready to start the job. The first step is to make sure the water is turned off. Running water simply won't freeze. Then you can identify the pipe size and material you're working with. In this case 15mm copper, but it's also worth noting that painted pipes will take longer to freeze than bare ones. A really useful tool to help you on the job is the ROFROST app. This dedicated app provides guidance on freeze times for different pipe sizes and materials. It's not our usual ROTHENBERGER app, but a separate one made specifically for pipe freezing. Please keep an eye out for future developments in this area as there are some exciting innovations on the way. So next we need to look at how to correctly connect the clamps. In most cases you will only need one insert per clamp, and it's essential to apply the conductive paste. This ensures a good connection between the clamp, the insert and the pipe. When using the ROFROST Turbo II or the 2-inch version on smaller pipes such as 12, 15, 18 or 22 millimeters, you'll need to stack the inserts inside the 42 millimeter insert. Putting the inserts to one side, you do not need to always use both clamps. But if you do need to use both clamps, please make sure there is an adequate gap in the pipe to allow for expansion as the water freezes. If you notice that your machine isn't performing as expected, please get in touch with our service centres. Never attempt to regas the unit yourself. This must only be done by an approved service technician. One final note, the ROFROST Turbo will automatically shut down if the surrounding temperature exceeds 32 degrees Celsius. This is our safety feature designed to protect the compressor. Well, that brings us to the end of this overview of the ROFROST Turbo electric pipe freezer range. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure safe, efficient and reliable performance every time you use the unit. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you ever need any help, support or servicing, contact ROTHENBERGER or even leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Ciao for now.